Hi everybody, Shannon and I want to share with you guys another really cool company that we can get behind, and the name of the company is Living in a Bubble. Now, because we love this thing so much,
I mean, game changer.
Yeah,
this thing has been a game changer for
and
us.
the ease of use, the whole 9 yards with this particular item. We wanted to try out the passenger and driver side door screens that go over the windows and see how those work for us. And I can tell you, just from after using them, they're just fantastic.
Right, because the only thing better than ventilation is now we have cross ventilation.
All right, so now Shannon is going to share with you how quick and easy this is to put on. Now, it has a little pocket up there in the corner, yep, which fits over that top edge. So it fits over that. Okay, and then the other thing about it,
You can see it automatically starts to grab here.
right? So these are this is magnetic down here, and it starts to grab.
Right.
Right.
So then your strap runs me through the door.
All right. So there's 2 straps there to help secure it.
You can tighten it.
There's a little bunchy that you can tighten it right here. Right. So. All right.
All right, and then just for a little bit of added security, there's some Velcro here that you can snap below the window. All right, so it's all in place.
All in place. Again, guys, just wanted to show you again. This bottom piece here is all magnetic, so it clings to the side of the van. It's got that pocket where it fits nice and snug over the frame here. And as Shannon showed you, it has the Velcro that makes it even more snug and secure around your rear view mirror. So look how nice and snug that is. It's not going to fall down. It's not going to be a problem or anything. It's perfect. Works out great.
Keeps critters out and lets the air in.
All right, Shannon is going to get the passenger door window cover. You ready? All right. And again, tucks up over the top of the corner there, slides around the frame of the door. All right, she's sliding that one strap through the door there. And you bring the other strap around and you hook them together. All right. There you go. Fantastic. Look at that. Nice and snug. What about that? I can keep pests out, which includes you.
Ooh,
What?
Yep, that's true.
All right. So again, the screen's up. Both of the screens are on the windows here, the passenger and the driver's side. We have our barn door screen up, which allows tons of ventilation in here. It also provides a beautiful scenic look from inside the van up here in here. Just waking up, getting ready to have your morning coffee. And look at that, look at all that ventilation coming through on the billowy air. All right, so Shannon has demonstrated for everybody how easy the passenger and driver's side magnetic fly screens went onto those door frames and those windows, and it worked out great. I mean, they fit nice and snug.
Seconds it took me.
The thing about it too, there are several things that we wanted to point out also. From the outside of the van looking in, it does provide some privacy. You really don't, you have to kind of really get up on them to see what's going on inside of the van. So you don't have to feel like everybody's looking in on you or can see everything that you're doing when you have your doors open. So this is the driver's side, and you can see how easy it is from inside the van to see out. But like I said, from the outside looking in, you would have to get kind of pretty much right up on the windows to be able to look in.
We have absolutely loved everything that we have gotten from Living in a Bubble.
Yep, from the barn door screens all the way up to the front of the passenger and the driver's side. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.